Imagine you are in Germany and someone offers you coffee. You want to say yes or no, right? Easy. In German, yes is ja and no is nein. Ja, nein. Now let's make it polite. If someone gives you something, you say danke. That means thank you. And if you want to be extra polite, you can say danke schön. Danke schön. Thank you very much. That's one of my favorite German words, danke schön. And when you ask for something, you say bitte. That's a magic word because it means both please and you are welcome. If someone says danke, you can reply them bitte. Now, what if you need to get someone's attention? You say Entschuldigung. Entschuldigung. That means excuse me or sorry. Entschuldigung. Great. Now you have the basic words to be polite in German. Try them today. Bis morgen. See you tomorrow.